Hello, this is Lucy. Perhaps you've had one of those days where you've finished your quilting and realised that you've got gaps in it. Well, this is how I correct it. Let's go into Design Centre. Hooping up the part that we wish to fill, we're going to scan and scan what's in our hoop. Now we need to turn up the contrast on our image by going to the top here. You will have to fiddle with this from time to time to get the best results. Now we need to define our boundary lines. I'm using a square. OK it. And we need to resize the square to make the most of our hoop size. I'm just repositioning the square. You'll see why I'm doing this in just a moment. Now we need to get rid of the outline. So go into the clear outline box, OK it, and go to the boundary line of your square. Using the fill tool, click on it. If you click on a second time and it makes a strange noise, it means that it has been actioned. Now we need to use our fill tool. I've chosen just a stipple effect. Again, by using a fill tool associated with your fill effect, take your bucket tool, place it in the middle, and action it. You may find that you need to go to the top of your screen to the contrast tool so that you are able to see what you're doing. Any overspill can be erased by using the eraser tool. You have an option of brush sizes with the eraser tool. Choose what you think may be appropriate. This will take a little bit of getting used to. Now use your eraser tool to rub out the overspill in the bottom, as you see that would be in my hoop that is stitched. I found it easier to zoom in at times using the hand tool at the top of the screen to maneuver your page around. I've chosen a large stipple effect so that I can show it to you on the screen easily. I wouldn't normally probably use this one. It's asking, do you want to make this your final choice and convert it to your stitching out pattern? I have said yes. The bigger the stitcher pattern you have, the further away it will be from your designated choice. I've just double checked this by using my projector to make sure that it does not touch the previous stitching in the hoop. Now let's stitch it out. It may take you some practice to achieve the results that you require, so I would suggest that you practice on some oddments of material. Please help me to continue these videos by clicking subscribe and also subscribing to my Learning Brother Luminaire site.